Hey there, HVAC Repair Guy here. Today we are putting two heavy hitters in the ducted split world head to head. We're looking at the MRCOOL HH15 and its direct rival, the York YC2E. Both of these are 14.3 to 15 SEER2 rated units, designed for standard residential cooling. They look similar, but under the hood, they've got different stories to tell. Let's get into the specs. The MRCOOL HAE15 is part of their Signature Series. It's a single-stage condenser using R410A refrigerant. It's built for simplicity and affordability, delivering solid cooling without the bells and whistles of an inverter. Now, look at the York YC2E. This is also a single-stage unit from their LX series. York engineered this one with a high pressure switch and a factory installed filter dryer. While the MRCOOL focuses on being a straightforward cooling machine, the York YC2E is built with a few extra internal safeguards to protect that compressor from moisture and pressure spikes. In terms of physical build, the MRCOOL HAC15 uses a pretty standard cabinet design that's easy to spray down and clean. The York YC2E, however, features an alloy wire fan guard and a powder coat paint finish that's salt spray rated for 1,000 hours. If you're near the coast, that York finish is a big deal. For sound, both sit in that mid-70s decibel range, not whisper quiet, but standard for a quality single-stage unit. We're halfway through this breakdown, and I want to hear your thoughts. If you had to replace your AC tomorrow, would you prioritize the lower upfront cost of a MRCOOL or the long-standing brand reputation of a York? Drop a comment below and tell me, cost or reputation, which one wins for you? Let's talk protection. The MRCOOL HAC15 offers a 10-year registered parts warranty, which is great for the price point. The York YC2E also brings a 10-year parts warranty, but it comes with York's massive dealer network. If a capacitor blows in July, you can find a York part at almost any supply house in the country. With MRCOOL, you're often relying on their direct shipping for replacement components, which might take a few extra days. Final verdict time. If you are on a strict budget and want the most cooling for every dollar spent today, go with the MRCOOL HAC15. But if you want a unit with a better protective finish and a parts network that's second to none, my pick is the York YC2E. It's the more reliable set it and forget it choice. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy, and I'll see you on the next one.